My name is Don Weber. I live in Simi Valley, California. The reason I contacted the company was that my air conditioner had died. I went with Novell, and for a really good reason. They were the third quote that I had received, but John, our estimator, had come out and done just an amazing job of going through the old system, and he was the only estimator that actually went through and took a look at the old air conditioning system, and he was the only guy who actually turned it on to see how it wasn't working properly. Novell came in and replaced our outside unit, the condenser here. They also put in brand new registers that we hadn't had ours done in quite a while, so these are much more efficient. Customer service was great. I've had other things done around the house, but this was the first time that customer service end of the company had called like 3 times to check on my satisfaction, how the job went, how the cleanup was. Very impressive. Well, I would certainly recommend this Novell to anybody doing any home improvement. Again, my wife and I were both very impressed by everything that happens, and I'm going to have Novell do some other work around the house.